bana. Na ni comrades pia. ODM pia. Kumbuka pia ODM pia. Pia unaweza peana lakini yes.
Broad based.
Watu wamechelewa. But nitakuwa kwa simu, just lock in for 10-20 minutes. This youth movement stands firmly behind Dr. Oburu Oginga. Any theatrics that are going to be brought by any politician, be it Babu Owino, I saw him the other day speaking, saying that the party should be handed over to him. He will tell us what mandate he holds because we are the delegates. Yeah. And we are telling him that if he thinks he's bigger than Daktari, he should go and form his party, as my comrade has said. Because he said he's bigger than any political party. We are saying, kama wewe ni mkubwa kuliko chama cha chungwa, go and form your own party.
No, Dr. Oburu Oginga will be the party leader. Mpaka siku yenye atasema atawacha hata kani after 6 years.
Yes. This is a party that has structures. Dr. Oburu is someone who has been legitimately put in place by the NEC, giving him the respect that he deserves for now, as we wait for any other momentum in future, is good, and that is the only way we can also respect you in future.